Hello everyone, we are going to create the shapes here, explore the more and more options. We will find a structure there. Let's take the designs, explore the further designs and shapes. Use another shape. So we will take it, create a structure using that designs, add another one to use it. It's a paint here we are, apply there, eraser tool is there. So use the paint again. So we are using it. It's a pattern stamp there we are.